everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Ridisha, and if you're new to this channel, I post music covers and recently I have started posting some fun content as well. I'm trying. So today's video is a Fab 4 edition, as you can see. Now what's Fab 4? So in short, Fab 4 is a group of 4 girls including me that I formed in college, and I'm very proud that I did this. So we basically post dance covers on Instagram. I have given the link of our page in the description below. You can go check it out. And yeah, so with time they have become such an important part of my life that I just, in the heat of the moment, I got the idea that why not make a video with them. So here it is. So without wasting more time, let me introduce you to my girls.
Here is Anika Sharma.
Hello guys, this is Ankita Jaiswal.
Hey guys, I am Antara Parashar.
So those are my girls, and I won't be wasting any more time because it's going to be real fun, and I hope you guys will enjoy this video. Also,
if you have not subscribed to our channel yet,
Do subscribe
And hit the bell icon.
Ankita says a lot of things repeatedly, but I think a word that she says the most is "maa kasam." She says it all the time whenever she is very excited, or yeah, all the time, like yeah.
The one word that Ankita says the most is the word maro. When we used to roast her and she doesn't have a proper comeback for it, like she doesn't have anything to say further, she will say the word maro.
mar jao tum log mar jao in every situation.
One word that I used to say the most is maa kasam and also I say mar jao.
First of all, I'll tell you, Amika is every day late for the practice session. So whenever we are having a practice and she is late, we used to call her to ask her that where she is or when she is gonna reach there. So the frequently used excuse by her is that গৈ আছো দেউতাৰ লগত গৈ আছো ফৰকাটিং ষ্টেচন আছে ট্ৰেইন আহি গৈছিলে নহয় ফচি আছো গৈ আছো পামগে আৰু and that is always a lie.
So she is usually late all the time, but yeah. So I am the most strict person during practice, and yeah, whenever she comes late, I used to give her a very bad look, and she's like, Ridisha, train ahi goisile rasta, Ridisha deuta olaute deri korile ki korim eta, and all these are all lies.
She is liar number 1. After being late, she gives lots and lots of excuses like क्या करो यार आज रेल गेट बंद था, पापा भी इतनी देर से उठे, ऊपर से इतना सारा ट्रैफिक. वो बहुत झूठ बोलती है, वो खुद को बचने के लिए कुछ भी बोलती है.
Honestly, I lie a lot. Sometimes I tell train gate বন্ধ হৈ আছে, দাদাই দেৰি কৰি আছে, দেউতাই দেৰি কৰিছে, even মই ঘৰতে থাকো.
So I think her one obsessive habit is whenever you message her something, she will scene zone that text and then she'll go offline. She'll type her reply being offline, and as she just comes online, tons of messages will flood your inbox. Like yeah, that's a crazy habit of her.
An obsessive habit of Antara is to stalk boys. Oh, Antara, sorry.
Just one obsessive habit is to stalk boys. Antara will kill me for sure.
Well, my obsessive habit is that I'm an offline typist. Weird as it sounds, I know.
Rather than singing, our Ridisha's planned habit is to sending cute voice notes, sending cute photos. वो ऐसे वॉइस नोट भेजती है जो जिसे सुन के कोई भी इम्प्रेस हो जाए, कोई भी. और फोटोज वाह कसम ही बोलने वाला था पर मतलब क्या बोलो, वो एक नंबर की नौटंकी है. वो कुछ भी करती है, कुछ भी, और वो पहले जैसे बिल्कुल भी नहीं है, जो भी उसे पहले से जानते हैं.
Ridisha's one planned habit that she uses to impress people rather than singing. She impresses by sending a cute voice records.
Ridisha's one planned habit that she uses to impress people rather than singing is dancing. Well, she is the one who is behind forming a group, the Fab Four, and to be honest, she is a really good dancer.
I think nobody knows this. It's a secret, and I'm going to reveal it today. That yeah, I use my voice notes to impress people rather than singing, because it's like people say I've got a nice voice, and why not make use of it? I am the one. So whenever somebody is mad at me or like that, so I try to be cute and I send them voice notes of mine like, oh come on, don't be mad at me, and yeah, like that, just like that.
Energetic one is Antara Sharma Parashar. She's always ready. She's like, okay bro, let's go.
The energetic one would be Antara.
Obviously it's Antara. I will not be wrong if I say she never gets tired and she is full of energy. After doing so many classes and all, whenever Ridisha says let's go for some practice and all, me and Amika will be like na abhi nahi, thodi der baat karte, thodi der ruk ke karte. But Antara boy koro eku nohoy, boy koro practice okoman deri he koribo lage, boy koro.
Yeah, I am the energetic one in case of that. But in case of dancing, it will be Ridisha, because she is the one who pushes us every time, and I'm really thankful to her for that. Yeah, so it's a two-way answer. In case of dancing, it is Ridisha, but in case of other, it will be me.
I would like to take Amika's name because she always keeps mentioning and saying that she wants a Brahmin guy, and she always says that please मुझे एक ब्राह्मण ढूंढ दो, मुझे शादी करनी है. So I would like to take her name for this question.
Ankita. I don't know why I'm saying this, but I think Ankita. I just have that instinct, you know.
This is me, myself, Amika. Yeah.
We are single as fuck.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double.
To be honest, and my answer will be Ankita.
Without any doubt, it's Ridisha. क्या बोलूँ, वो एक नंबर की नौटंकी है. She leaves the group without any explanation, question or any reason. हम लोग को खुद नहीं पता होता है कि वो आखिर उसने ग्रुप क्यों छोड़ा. मतलब she leaves the group suddenly and she cuts off all the communication from everyone, and we will be thinking अब इसको क्या हुआ, इसने ऐसा क्यों किया. मतलब वो कभी भी कुछ भी करती है, उसका बस उसका मूड स्विंग्स, कभी भी उसका मूड स्विंग उसे कुछ भी करवा सकता है.
Ridisha. Without a doubt, I'll say this, but I also think that that's me, because I ghosted a lot of people till now. I know if any one of them is watching, they're gonna kill me for this, but my answer will be Ridisha. Yeah.
Who's more likely to ghost everyone? This is Ridisha does some. Ridisha khong to ami gom pao tai bahut beshi khong ase.
I think this is me. Whenever I'm not in a proper state of mind, or I'm having these mood swings, I ghost people. I mean, I don't really care about what people are gonna think about me, as long as I'm not okay within myself. So yeah, it will be me.
The drama queen of our group is Ridisha again. She is a big naughty bass, to be precise. She is the one who leaves the group every time we leave her on read. Like whenever we don't pay her enough attention or we don't reply to her texts, she will immediately leave the group. That's a really annoying habit of her. Later on, the three of us will have to think for a proper consolation in order to console her. Who's the silent devil? Ankita. Without a doubt, I can say this.
Drama queen would be definitely Amika. You guys should have seen her, you know, videos that we have seen, the most precious videos, and it's like, you know, if you're with her, you just cannot stop laughing. She is a crazy person. And silent devil would be definitely Ankita. Now people are gonna say that Ankita is a very shy person, a very silent person, but she is not at all a silent person. She is the real devil, and you know, she is the one who has made me like this. I have completely changed over these 2 years just because of her. Yeah.
Drama queen is me, Emika Sharma, and silent devil is Ankita Jaiswal.
Drama queen is obviously Emika Sharma. She is the biggest dramebaz and उसको तो Joker of the Year award मिलना चाहिए. And the silent devil according to Fab4 is
I really consider myself blessed with the best, and my friends are the biggest treasure of my life, and I really feel that I had been able to improve myself a hell lot after being in Fab4, and they are the one who console me. They took a stand for me every time, and they had been supporting me, encouraging me and appreciating me in every way possible, and I really feel lucky to be a part of Fab4, and I really love all of you.
We learned so many things about each other and found that our taste in dance was so similar. In short, the bond we share was one of my most prized possessions. I want to guys tell you that I love you so much.
Firstly, I would like to say I love them a lot, and having them in my life is like a blessing. After forming this group Fab4, we became like a family. In the classes, we sit together, we dance together, we eat together.
We do much more exciting stuff together, and we share each and everything with each other, and they became like a family.
I miss you guys so much, and I hope to meet you soon. Having a solid crew is everything, and I know I am blessed with the best.
So I don't know where to start. I'm just, those persons are the closest to my heart right now, and yeah, I just don't want to, I never wanted to answer this question because yeah, I have taken so many retakes, and I just start crying whenever I start answering this question, and yeah, I say all, so basically Fab4 is like family. I think I would not have survived in my college if it were not them. Like, if they were not there, I would have not survived, and they have actually made me learn so many things. They have just taught me to be more self-loving, and they have been always with me at my happiest times, at my low times, encouraging me, and those are my type of people. I'll just say that I love you all, and I just cannot express it in a video that how much I love you and how much I owe to you. So that was it. I hope you guys liked the video. It got really emotional for me at the end, but yeah, it's just like it's just the feelings, and yeah, I hope you guys like it. Do subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, because I'm going to come up with new fun videos and also music covers really soon. Thank you. Then she'll
Who's more
Obviously, it's Antara. Jump your mouth karna.
Space Parachute is